Dear students, today we will study about the new social and political groups which came into existence in the medieval period of Indian history. Rajputs, from Rajasthan area, Sikhs, Marathas, jatis and Ahoms from northeast India, and Kayastha, etc. were became the important groups in medieval period of Indian history, that is in between 700 to 750 AD. It is a picture of Persian wheel. It was the time when Persian wheel for irrigation, then spinning wheel in weaving, firearms in combat, etc. were introduced in India. And it was also the time when different crops like potato, then corn, chili, and beverages like tea, coffee, etc. were introduced in the subcontinent. Regarding the Rajputs, we may say that the term Rajput was derived from Rajputra and was applied to warrior groups of Kshatriyas in the period between 8th to 14th century. Rulers, then chieftains, soldiers, and commanders were also included in Rajput. They have a characteristic feature: a chivalric code of conduct, then extreme valor, that is bravery or power, and great sense of loyalty were attributed to the Rajputs. There was a gradual change in the environment as well as in the society in the medieval period of Indian history. New habitats were formed, and due to this, that is on the basis of the occupation and on the basis of the economy of the society, several jatis or subcastes were formed in the medieval India. These jatis, they framed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. So they framed and they regulate their own people by few code of conducts. So these regulations are enforced by an assembly of elders described in some areas as jati panchayat. But the jatis were also required to follow the rules of their villages, and several villages were governed by their chief. So together they were only one small unit of a state. So we came to know that in that medieval period, several jatis, several groups, and several types of crops and beverages as well as several items were introduced or equipments were introduced in Indian history to make the society, to run the society very well. Thank you.